Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to recover deleted timeline data on Google Maps and how to find your map history in 2025. If you have accidentally deleted your location history or can't find your tips, don't panic. There are still some things you can try. Let's get into it. First, a quick recap your Google Maps timeline. Keep track of place you have visited and taken it, and even photos you have taken along the way. If location history is turned on, you can view this by going to maps.google.com/timeline or opening the Google Maps apps, then timeline tabs. Here you can see this, the timeline. If your timeline isn't showing data, it might be because location history is off. To check, open the Google Maps apps, tap your profile picture, go your data in Maps, and here you can handle location history. Make sure it's turned on. If it was off, unfortunately, Google didn't track anything during that time. If you manually deleted a day or trip from your timeline, you usually can't restore it. Google deletes it permanently. But if it's not showing up due to showing sync issue or account settings, you might still get it back. Try these steps. Switch device or browsers. Make sure you're signing in to right Google account. Enable location accuracy your phone setting or wait a bit. Sometimes the data takes hours or days to sign. You can also check if your data is still saved using Google Takeout. Here you can see this. Go to the takeout.google.com, select only location history, scroll down and select location history, export the file and open it using tools like GeoJSON.ai or Google Earth. This lets you view what Google still has even if it doesn't show up directly in your timeline. Even if your timeline is missing, you can still check Google Map apps or your timeline here, then place or go to myactivity.google.com. You can see, and there you can see search, direction and visited place liked too much. So to warp it up, you might recover timeline data if its sync is issue, but permanently deleted location history usually can't be restored. Use Google Takeout and My Activity to explore what's still available. Hope you are enjoying this video and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.